Hi guys, welcome to the what is new video. So every month we have a release and every month we say this is how you should update and keep rolling, and also what is new, what has changed. So I took the liberty to ask ChatGPT, create me something as a background. So we have this parallax look as well, so this image stays a little bit focused or well, frozen, and we can scroll over it. The thing is, we have at this point in time, look at the date, 22nd, so it's quite early yet, but we are uploading already today the ISOs to AAG, and later on we'll just release them officially, right? AAG, if you don't know what it is, there are help out, so if you want to help out and if you got the time, that's where you test it, beta test. What's new? Release article. So this is the ArcoLinux information website. Some people don't get our way of thinking, so we have the information website ArcoLinux, where anything can be posted about anything. The D for the desktops, the B is where we build all kind of things. Carly is here, but also today Arcoinstall, we'll talk about it later. And we have what ifs, and that's a creation of ALCI, so ArcoLinux Calamares installer. What if I have the knowledge of Calamares? What if I want a pure Arch, but Calamares? Arise, there is scripts from Pico, and of course a forum. So there is logic in this madness. What is new? Well, Arcoinstall is just a few weeks old, if at that. I don't think it's even 2 weeks old, right? And everything started with a what if. ArcoLinux gives us an ISO. On this ISO, there's an application called Arcoinstall. We forked it and we've changed it to our liking. We've added the pacman, the repos, right, from ArcoLinux, and we added packages. Not only packages, but more desktops as well. So what is ArcoLinux? You can create it yourself. That's one thing. So it's just a bunch of files that you can edit and build your own ISO the way you see fit. We've done the same, and that's here on the Arcoinstall. So let's quickly go there for now. So one page, an extra page here in the ArcoLinux B, because we're building, right? We're building an ISO. Basically, it's an ArcoLinux ISO. But the Arcoinstall script has been changed to an Arcoinstall script. That's it, right? So this is what you should do, and a lot of videos about it. This is what we normally get on ArcoLinux, but this is more, right? ChatWMDK, you can read. Those things are extra. TWMs, that's not available on Arch. It is, however, available here in Arcoinstall, but these are changed by us. It's our configuration, This we don't care. So unchanged. It's just like Arch intended it. So this is your information, 27 desktops and tiling window managers to choose from. And we also added the particular ISO to our ArcoLinux application Glade, or for short AAG. An extra button, click, and you've created, of course, the vision, our packages, our choices on the ISO, and you can choose it during installation. There are lots of videos already, 14 videos to look and check. This is the default, awesome, right, from Arch. But when you install it our way, you get our settings and our configurations. So that's an interesting thing. Maybe that's something that might interest you, and why you can read this text here. Then we made a decision about Libadwaita, which is a package from the framework of GNOME, and well, you can read this text, but basically we've switched away from Libadwaita without Adwaita. I think everything is settled down more or less, and extensions in GNOME and workarounds have been finalized, well, the dust has, so to speak, has landed, and everything is clear. Libadwaita is the official package, so let's go back to Libadwaita. And then there's a little change we need to do in our etc environment, and then we have also a dark BAMAC AWR, for example. So that was initially the problem, that everything suddenly became white on our distro that was more focused to the dark screens, right? So back to Libadwaita it is. And today somebody asked me, I want to learn how to build my own custom ISO on Telegram. A user asked this a question to ChatGPT, and it was such a good answer that I've actually included it in this text. This is the text where we sent you, so look, Bob the Builder is there, right? And it's gonna gradually, as a student, try to teach you what to do from step one. Let's try to build ArcoLinux B already and omit a package or add a package and see if that works, and then start building, and gradually more and more difficult, and down the line there are like 8 steps or 9 steps. The most difficult 10 steps is the signing of packages, which is actually not needed, right? Unless you really intended to do it for a community. But the thing is, this is the choice that ChatGPT gave me today, and I thought the summary is actually so good, I'm gonna put it on my website. So I asked them the question, look, a user wants to create an ISO based on ArcoLinux/ArcoLinux. And after a few, only two responses, I think, 2 prompts, this is what he gave, because he forgot, of course, Arcoinstall, which is only 2 weeks old. So it says, it gives us some reason why you should go with which ISO maybe you should think of starting. Have a look at it. It's yeah, it's always opinionated, I would say, but yeah, it is always a difficult thing. There's so many information available on ArcoLinux, and choosing is difficult, right? But it's up to you. And in the end, it says enjoy the journey, and remember, there's no wrong option, only the one that best suits your needs, because I can't make that assessment. That's up to you. How far are you in the Linux education wise, or what you know already and what's still to be learned? But all is here in the previous article. We touch everything on different websites, different projects. You can learn a lot of things. So back to here. ArcoLinux application glade was the last 2 days, basically. Not even 2 days. A day of work. Anyway, Arcoinstall has a button, so the create your personal Arcoinstall ISO, and a few nice touches, like ArcoLinux ISO is now opening up Alacrity as well, like all the others, and he got also a nice folder. So when you run scripts like these, applications like these, we get this, the ArcoLinux out. You can create your own ArcoLinux, unchanged, right? Pure Arch, but with the kernel of today. Arcoinstall is here, right? Also called ArcoLinux, because it is. ArcoNet, that's something else. This is our ISO, and ArcoPlasma is here. You can all build these guys, but you can go further along. So Ariser is also an ArcoLinux ISO, but you do not use Calamares, you use the scripts from Pico, and there is Sierra as well. So all of these guys end up, if you click on the button, they end up in a folder, and then you can try to install them VirtualBox, change them maybe, right? But that's another way of doing. This is a GUI that just makes it possible to build it. So what's new? That's the video I'm gonna put in here. The video we're making now is going there. Just made a how to stay rolling video. That should be still updated, I guess. Maybe a refresh will do the trick. No. So I'll clean the cache, and then everything will be there. So 2412 to 2501 keep rolling video is the one we need here. So there's that. My intent is to release it before the 1st, so you can play around in your holidays with it. All right, cheers.